You know how oddly satisfying those coloring books are. They have the magnetic power to engage adults, kids, masters of arts, and everyone. But what if I say selling those ready-made digital coloring pages online can earn you up to $2,500 monthly passive income and turn your fortunes upside down? Hello, one-clickers. Another day, and we are back with another effortless money-making solution. Today, we will be analyzing another tool that you just cannot afford to miss, named Coloring Store Fortune, a revolutionary plug-and-play system that lets you launch and profit from your own digital coloring page store. No designing, tech skills, or product creation needed. Just install, sell, and earn daily by offering high-demand coloring packs to parents, teachers, creators, and niche buyers worldwide. Features as unreal as the system might sound. The features back the claims made. Here is how. Launch and earn instantly. Get a ready-to-sell digital coloring store with 10,000 plus products preloaded. No setup hassle. Daily profits unlocked. You can sell coloring packs for $10 to $30 each to parents, teachers, hobbyists, and digital product buyers. No experience needed. No design, writing, or tech skills required. Everything is done for you. Just install and start selling. Passive income engine. Earn 24/7 by selling digital downloads, bundling themed packs, or running promos. Even the absolute beginners are making up to $50 daily passive income with this zero-effort tool. Here is how. Step 1. Install and deploy your ready-made coloring store in minutes. No setup needed. Step 2. Promote and list your coloring packs and start sharing with niche buyers online. Step 3. Profit daily. Earn $10 to $30 per sale from digital downloads, passive and repeatable. The best part? The app is priced at just $27. A one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. So, is Coloring Store Fortune for you or not? If you want to earn passive income by selling high-demand digital coloring pages without any design or tech skills and make up to $500 daily through your own ready-made store, then Coloring Store Fortune is the tool to get started with right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.